When it comes to accessing the underside of your vehicle, the choice is simple. Invest in vehicle lifts or an inspection pit. Totalkare vehicle inspection pits are manufactured to order in the Midlands from prefabricated steel. They provide a safe, well-lit environment in which to undertake a variety of essential repair and maintenance tasks. Pit lengths typically start from 6 meters upwards, while Class 4 and Class 7 pits are also available, and every pit is CE certified. Storage areas, adjoining tunnels, air and oil supply can be incorporated into the pit design, as can variable lighting to suit. Enhance your pit installation with a state-of-the-art pit jack from Totalkare. With lifting capacities from 12 to 20,000 kilograms and manual or air operation available, pit jacks help you lift large vehicles with ease. Installing an in-ground brake tester, either in front or across a vehicle inspection pit, is a popular option for many workshops choosing to bring their testing in-house. Totalkare in-ground brake tester is DVSA approved and can test up to a maximum axle load of 20,000 kilograms. And for workshops looking to test wheel play detection in-house, Totalkare shaker plates can also be installed across a pit, converting your bay into a multi-test and repair facility. Like the in-ground brake tester, Totalkare shaker plates can test up to a maximum axle load of 20,000 kilograms. Contact Totalkare today for a bespoke quote.